Good day, everyone. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today, we will have our another episode for the beginner's guide in using Microsoft Word. So, for today, we are going to explore more the paragraph setting of your text under the home ribbon here. So, when you click home, and then you will appear here the different toolbar. So, we are going to use the paragraph group here. So let's create first a sentence. Today, romantic professor here. So let's say this is our text. Now let's explore the paragraph settings. So this is the paragraph setting. So we can change the layout of the current paragraph that we have, including the spacing and then so on and more. Okay. So first, let's highlight this. Let's explore first this one. Okay. Let's say we want to center our text here. So you can just simply choose the center here or control E. Okay, it will be now on the center. Let's say you want it on the left. Align it on left side so we can click it. Or if you want to align it on right side, click the this tool here on the right side of the center, this one. Or let's say you want to justify it. Okay, justify. So meaning to say you are going to distribute your text evenly between the margins. So click justify. Now, another thing is the spacing. So how are we going to do spacing? Let's say we have another sentence on the next paragraph. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's say like that. Okay. So how are we going to do the spacing? So this is the spacing, line and paragraph spacing. So we can choose how much space appears between the lines of text or between the paragraphs. So to apply the same spacing to your whole document, we can use the paragraph spacing option on the design tab. Okay, but for now, let's highlight the two sentences that we want to edit the spacing and then click spacing here, and then we have different options. So we can have number one as the spacing, this one. Let's say we want to make it 1.15. So as you can see, every time we add the spacing, the space between the two texts is also increasing. So let's say we want 3. So this is now the spacing between the two. Okay. Also, we can add the space before the paragraph, or we can remove the space after the paragraph. We can also choose that. Okay. So that is the spacing. But let's go back into one. Okay. Next, let's say we want to create a bullet. Okay. We want to do some bullet here. So we can choose this. So bullets, we can create a bullet list. So we can click the arrow to change the look of the bullet. So let's say we want to create a bullet form. Okay. Don't forget to, let's say, subscribe, share, and comment. Let's say this three. Subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, now we want to bullet this three text here. So what are we going to do? We need to just simply highlight it and then go to the bullet under the paragraph group, then click bullet. Now we have different options of arrow. We can choose this one, okay? Or we want like an arrow like this. We can also do this. Or if we want this like a checklist like this, we can change it as well. Okay, or we can also do numbering. We can create a numbering here, create a numbering list here or numbered list. We can choose it. Okay, 1 to 3, or we have different options of how are we going to number it. We want it in a Roman numeral way, in a letter, or in a small letter, or a Roman numeral once again. So we have options. So let's say we want it in letter, like, okay, so this is how are we going to numbering it. Okay, or we do the numbered list. So th- that's it for today's episode. So on our next episode, we will be exploring more about Microsoft Word. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment if you have any questions regarding to our episode for today. So see you on our next episode for the beginner's guide in Microsoft Word.